Need your heating and cooling unit serviced or repaired? Look no further than Ideal Air Narre Warren. Air conditioning is the most economical way to heat and cool your home. It also actively cleans the air and helps to control the moisture. That's why a well-maintained aircon is so important. Our qualified technicians service all brands of air conditioning for your home and office and are industry leaders for heating and cooling.
At Ideal Air, we're service and repair specialists, so we'll ensure you have a quick turnaround time to get your system back up and running fast.
Get your heating or cooling units serviced or repaired by our specialists today. Contact Ideal Air Narre Warren